Hello Honcho gang, Lady Honcho here again with another video for you guys. If you guys are interested in seeing how I did this look, please stay tuned. It wasn't an easy look for me to do, had a little bit of difficulty, but I think we pulled it together for the most part. If you guys want to see how I accomplish this look, here it goes. So I'm just gonna do this audio non-stop, and if I make mistakes, I'll make mistakes. I'm gonna prime my face with e.l.f. pore corrector or something like that, and then I'm going to use my, I think this was Milani brow pomade, and I start at the bottom and just make a line and kind of blend it out. And I make a line at the top and just kind of create my brow shape. Then I get some, I think that was a pencil or like a wand in the shade black, and I go at the tail of my brow, and then I grab some concealer and a angled flat brush, and I cut my shape of my brow with concealer, and then I'm gonna set it with some translucent powder. I forgot what brand this powder was, but I will be sure to leave it in the description. Then I'm gonna go with some Milani eye primer. I don't always use eye primer, but for this specific look I'm using white eyeshadow, so I'm really wanted that to stick on there, so I apply some eyeshadow primer. Then after I set that, I'm gonna get a white eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna create my mark, how I want that cut crease. I found it easier to create a line before I cut a crease out, just in case I mess up, and so I can have a very easy stencil that I can cut out. Then I'm going to try to blend that out with a, I forgot what kind of brush that was. Well, it's kind of nubby. It's kind of stubby, if that makes sense. It's a stubby brush. So I use the stubby brush to blend that out, and I use some white eyeshadow and smudge it out a little bit more. Then I use a blending brush and kind of diffuse the edges a little bit. You can always go back and correct that line if it doesn't look crispy enough. So that's what I did. I went back and kind of corrected it, reshaped it. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect. You just need to know how you're gonna do the shape and make them as symmetrical as possible, because you're gonna clean it up with some concealer later. So I just keep going back and adding more white because I don't want it to be sheer. I really wanted that white to pop. So I kept adding some eyeshadow and blending it and trying to get that harsh line away, but I still kind of wanted the line. So I got a flat brush and kind of swept it up, swept the liner up so it can blend a little bit easier. And I went back with some eyeshadow to pack on more of that white color and just diffuse the edges. You're gonna keep doing this until it's to your liking. So I learned this trick from somewhere. I can't remember where it was. Can't remember what video I saw. It was in multiple videos, but I'm just using this Vaseline to kind of just erase some of the work I did. Just cleaning up that line, cutting out my crease. You want to really erase what you've done, because you don't want to put concealer on top of eyeshadow. It never blends out right. I made that mistake 100 times. Hated the results. It's just all bad. Imagine cutting your crease with black. That's not coming off. So I used Vaseline to help cut it out, and then I used a makeup remover water. I want to say the name of it, but I don't want to sound like I don't know what I'm talking about. It's Marcel. You know what I mean. I use that water, and then I just cut my crease again and took off the Vaseline, because you can't really apply any makeup on top of Vaseline. And I went back in and put some concealer on top of my eyelids, and I set it with some translucent powder. Okay guys, this is the final look. It's white cut crease, not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, but you know, I expected it to be a little difficult. The freckles I do need to work on. This would have turned out way better if I had a better liner, but this is the one that I had. I hate using the pen liners. They don't work for me. They're like, the ink stays inside the pen. It's like, you know, that way. It's difficult, but I guess when Mac opens back up, Sephora, everything opens back up, I'll go find a better one. One that specific one that I'm looking for, not a pen liner. Maybe like something, like a liner like this, but in white. I've only seen black ones at Walmart, and it's the only makeup store I know is open right now. I like to go in and look at my products, kind of know exactly what I'm purchasing, opposed to ordering online. I would order online, but I only order stuff that I've already bought in store online. You know, like re-up on stuff instead of going in store. But I do need to go in store to get specific things that I want. But yeah, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. So stay up to date on our content. I'll be posting more frequently. I know I always say that, but I just moved. I'm in the process of moving a lot. And I have a computer, so edits will be better. And I'm getting a better camera soon. Not too soon, but it will happen. Maybe next month. I want to get everything straightened out, everything together, and yeah, that's about it. I hope to see you guys in the next video.